Oh, hello my friends. Bruce here. Yes, it's that time of year again. And I got the old roto-tiller out. That's been in a few videos. I got the compost out of the compost bin, and there it is. And that, although it looks icky, that is some of the nicest compost I've had. It's just beautiful. I'm going to put the compost into that side, rotate it in, or roto-till it in, and then in the spring, yes, I'm going to move the soil to that side, because this is where the tomatoes go, and that's our prize growing thing, is the tomatoes. I know, it's crazy. You guys will know now that I don't do everything normal. And look at it, little red. Man, I used them to cut the lilies down behind the garden. It's just dirt, guys, don't be upset. It's just dirt. So anyway, you can watch me for a little while if you want to. I realize it's not earth-shattering cinematography, but it's my life. So I'll do a round. Okay, that's enough excitement for that. I'll come back in a bit. Whew, just finished. So this side of the garden was beans and zucchini, and it's pretty straightforward. And then over here, but this side of the garden dries out because of the spruce trees right there. And then this side of the garden this year was corn and potatoes. I rotate. And the corn was in this section on the left of the compost pile, and the potatoes were back over here. And I dug up a few. And they're good still, right? Except they're all chewed up by the rototiller. So my next mission, we'll do it from a different angle this year, is to put the little bridge back, right? I'm using my small hand truck because it might fit in between the 2x4 supports. Maybe. Maybe not. No. No, it doesn't. But it might still pull. Not bad. There. That's right, I put little screws on the bottom of that last year to grip. So that's it. Let's see, we need some height. We'll put you guys right here, maybe, and a shovel. I think these are the only culprits. Onions, anybody? Whew. Alrighty. I have been composting since 1977. So let me just spread this and I'll come back. So compost is not a soil replacement, it's a soil enrichment. So you don't need much. I got a little bit on both sides. 1, 2. And I was asked by a few young guys to do more of this because they want to learn too, right? And everybody does it their own way. There's no right or wrong way. You just cooperate with Mother Nature to give you good veggies, and you fight with Mother Nature to give you good veggies. But yeah, man, it's old. Not happy. So on and so on. This is gardening in Canada. Rototiller, lawnmower, leaf blower, every tool in the arsenal. But anyway, I just cleaned up, got the dirt off the blades of the tiller. Now, even if they're breaking, they're not running, wash them off, because when you do get to them, everything's going to be dried and caked on dirt, right? And Little Red is still completely wet, but he was dirty. He performed well today. And yeah, now I'm just going to put everything back in the shed where it belongs. Over there. Those are dead lawnmowers. One seized and one has no motor. On this little Canadian gardening extravaganza between snowstorms. So it just dried out enough. And we'll be getting snow in a week or so. That I got the garden tilled. That's pretty dry too, eh? Looks really good, I think. And over here, I did clean up with the hose. It wasn't frozen. And I did rake this down, so it's all ready for spring. So you guys haven't had your Thanksgiving yet down in the States, so happy Thanksgiving to you down there. And we'll see you soon.